Hey, so here is Brickit app, so you can build some creations from your Lego. So just pour out and scan your bricks, choose what you want to build from them, assemble, choose colors and change anything you want. And you just scan your bricks and they scan them. So yeah, that's that. So let's just try to install it. And this app is it's becoming super viral. A lot of people are searching for it, mentioning it a bit. And this is a great app to catalog your Lego pieces, as you can see by this review. And just Lego lets you know what to build with all the pieces you have. So something like that. So that's the app. It's 300 megabytes, so it's pretty big app actually. But nice reviews. And there are some also other similar apps in this category: Brick by Brick for Lego sets, Lego Boost. Yeah, so if you enjoy Lego, there are a bunch of apps which are actually super fun. So that's that. And let's just try to open it up to see what all the stuff is about. So let's see how it works. So spread out and scan your bricks. The app will recognize and scan them. Wow. What you want, now choose what you want to build with these bricks. And there you have it. Now you just need to scan the bricks or just collect some sets. So yeah, well, let's just try to, I don't know, I'll try to scan Lego bricks from my laptop. Just to test if it really works. So for example, check out, yeah, so put aside everything large, file, and you need to give access to your camera, obviously. And then here's some like Lego bricks. Not sure if it will work from here. Let's try again. Sorry guys. But that's the idea. Of course, if you have a Lego, it should work much better. So in real time, it distinguishes these bricks, and it uses some AI technology to and then it just tries to recognize bricks. Okay, maybe you get the idea how it works. Probably you need more powerful iPhone or newer iPhone for that, just to see how that works. And yeah, that's the idea. Then you can just create your profile. You can sign in with Facebook, Apple, Google, and just have fun and have all these different ideas and build all these different cool projects. Hope that was at least a bit helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 50,000 subscribers. Find me on my blog, mrhack.io, and see you around.